Hello, welcome to my Dan Computer Training channel. This tutorial is going to focus attention to what we call page color. Page color in Microsoft Word 2016. Page color. Many of us may wonder what page color is all about. Alright, now let's talk about page color. Whenever you are working with Microsoft Word, in most cases you often meet with this kind of environment. Of course, default. Actually, the background of a Microsoft Word is not really white, it's just a transparent. It's just transparent. That means whenever it prints, it does not print the background of a Microsoft Word page. Alright? So that is why if you have a colored page and use in printing this work now, it's going to come out as colored because all it printed are the write-ups, not the background. The background does not follow. However, in this tutorial, we are going to show you different background that you can actually get, as you can see on my screen, different color, different background that you can design or you can choose in the process of using Microsoft Word. You don't always need to settle for white. So how do you do that? Briefly, we are going to go to design. So on your menu bar, go to design. On your design, you come to what? Page color. So it is called page color. When you click on page color, you can make a change. You can see it here. Anyone you click, as simple as that, it becomes the background. But suppose you want to have this nature of background, as you can see on my screen, mixed color, not only single color, and so on. Of course, and that same place where we have to use a blank. Okay, here again. In this same page color, come down to field effect. Okay, under field effect, you can see you can choose a number of color. You choose a single color, you choose two color, or of course you can as well choose preset. Now preset, and then you come in here to make a choice. Okay, how will it look like? Which one do you like most? You just click on it. Okay, I'm choosing this one. Whichever one you like, choose that. If you are interested in texture, you can as well make it as your background. Now let's see one of these. Now which one will you like? Okay, let's just settle for this. Okay, you can as well choose either pattern, picture, or whatever. There is no problem about choosing that. Now let's choose the texture as well. And okay, have you noticed it that it has changed again? Let's go back there again and do something different. So do not always settle for the default, and you can make a choice of whatever you want in this place. Okay, you can come through the picture, and to choose a picture as your background in Microsoft Word 2016, you can just come here under select picture. When you select picture, it's expect that you are connected to internet. If you connect to internet from there, you can then get what you want. Okay, that means any picture you like to get it online, you can get it through there and it becomes your background. Unfortunately, I've not connected my system to the internet for now. Okay, so we are as simple as that. All right, so very simple. Any of these you choose and click on OK, it becomes your background. So that is how you actually insert your page color. I hope you enjoyed this brief tutorial. So let me see from your comment, and make sure you subscribe and like the video too, as well as share it with others. I hope to see you in the next of our tutorial. Thanks so much. Have a nice day, please.